So if you're looking for a comprehensive, high-quality solution for telephone line splicing, the Jonard Tools TK-U3 is your best choice to get the job done right. Hi there, Gary here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the Jonard Tools TK-U3 Telephone Splice Connector Kit, your go-to solution for secure and reliable telephone line splicing. If you're a professional installer, having the right tool for splicing telephone lines is crucial. The TK-U3 kit has everything you need to do the job quick and easy. Let's take a look at what's inside. The kit includes 100 UR 3-port telephone splice connectors. Designed to splice 3 wires together quickly and easily, these splice connectors are perfect for splicing 19 to 26 gauge telephone wires. Also included, 100 UY2 2-port telephone splice connectors designed to splice 2 wires together. These are perfect for splicing 22 to 26 gauge telephone wires. Both have a gel-filled cavity that provides moisture resistance, and the housings are insulated to prevent accidental shocks. Last but not least, this kit includes Jonard's combo crimper and long nose pliers, part number JIC 22148. This 5-in-1 tool can be used for crimping UR, UY, and UG connectors, AMP tel splice connectors, 709 series connectors, B-type connectors, and are also long nose pliers. It's made of heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with induction-hardened cutting edges for maximum strength and durability. Jonard Tools is renowned for our quality and durability. Each component in this kit is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and provide reliable performance every time you need it. So if you're looking for a comprehensive, high-quality solution for telephone line splicing, the Jonard Tools TK-U3 is your best choice to get the job done right. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.